No, I think I know this song. Yeah.
This man!
Who is that? Diga. Ha! Diga. Ha! Jadon. Go. Jadon, you're in my house. Sit down, Jali.
How are you, my boy? Listen very carefully. In this bag contains a lot. Do not allow anything to happen to this bag. I don't want to hear stories. I'll come back for it later. Diga, come on.
Take this gun and secure the bag.
Jesus!
Come on.
Mayor, I'll be back. Make sure it's safe.
How many times did they tell you before you know that? Jesus is Lord!
Jesus!
A few moments later.
Photo!
Take half to kill myself. No.
You are a mumu man! May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Hello, baby. Where are you? Did he come to the house?
Yeah, I'm going to the bank right now. Yeah, I'm going to Mayo.
No, baby. Please, where are you going?
Baby, I'm tired of your stinkiness. You are so stinky. You can't give me anything, and I saw you with big money.
Follow me. That bag is not for me, please. Please, baby. 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 Hello, baby. Oh, no. Baby. Jesus. Oh my God.
Sorry, oh.
Jesus.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
J'attends. Digga.
Why are you laying down? Like, why are you surprised as if you've seen a ghost? What is it?
Mr. Man, where is her money?
She took the bag.
What?
She what?
Yeah.
Who took the bag?
She. My girlfriend.
Shit!
I gave you something to keep, and you allowed your girlfriend to take the
May
bag?
God not allow them make them kill you. Sorry, oh.
Listen, I give you 24 hours to provide the bag, or else I'll come back for you.
My body.